It's a fantastic event, and you know, at the RSUs we were delighted to lend our support to it as well. It's something a bit different, needs a bit of imagination to kind of visualise what it's going to be like here in November. You know, we've seen charity matches before, we've seen good causes before, but a big GAA match at a rugby venue, particularly such a fantastic stadium as Kingspan Ravenhill, it really should be a sight to behold.
Relatively okay. I'm doing relatively okay. I mean, I was diagnosed over 2 years ago. For some people, you know, that's a long time to live with motor neurone disease. But from my point of view, I'm keeping relatively well, and the condition has, you know, it's a slow progression, which is manageable. Yeah, I mean, I've been to many a game at Ravenhill here, you know, from a rugby point of view with my work and as a supporter of Ulster Rugby. So yeah, it'd be great to be taking the field, but that's just not possible. But it'd be really, really great to see it filled here on the night. And hopefully with supporters from right across a variety of sports, rugby, Gaelic and others, and it'll be great to see a full house.
We're here really to support Anto in his cause, and you know, he was an inspirational figure when he played with Antrim. We played around the same time, but the same age, and I remember playing with St Paul's, his club, and I remember winning an All Ireland with Antrim in 1999. So you know, he's known in Dublin. But to see how courageous he has been since he was diagnosed with motor neurone disease, a terminal illness, and to see, you know, his determination, his resolve, you know, characteristics that he showed as a captain of Antrim, you know, he's now displaying now, and you know, our thoughts are obviously with his wife and his family and extended family, and I mean, Anto's just he's just really a hero as far as I'm concerned, and we're just honoured to come up here and support his cause.